Hi, this is Ann. I'm here with Kelly, and we're going to show you how to get a quick start on your new Tarter Rotary cutter. Let's get started. For shipping purposes, this brace is shipped down. Once you loosen up the bolts here and the washer and the nut, then you can pull up the back. You insert the arms back onto the bolts. Remember, lock washer first and then the nut.
Next, let's move the PTO. If you don't care, just grab the 3/4 inch wrench and sock it there. As you can tell, these do come pre-lubed a little bit. What you want to do now is grab your grease gun and squirt about 2 squirts in it. I don't care to really get dirty, so we'll get it all greased up here. We'll come over on our gearbox. It should have a black rubber cover on it. You see, just remove this black cover. You can see our PTO, our drivetrain, is called a shear bolt. And what that is when there's friction on the blades, it'll break the shear bolt off and will not damage your PTO, your tractor, or the gearbox. You'll put about 1 squirt on it, rub it around real nice.
Always have some extra shear bolts on hand because you will shear these, and you want to. It's a safety mechanism to keep you from damaging your tractor, the PTO, or any of the equipment. So buy a few extra of these to keep around.
What you want to do, get your C-ring, snap it right back into place. So you want to take off your C-ring. Very easy. Then we'll slide the PTO shaft on here. Okay, then we will put the C-ring back in place. So right now we're going to put the cover back over the shear pin part. What it is it'll lock in place. There's a groove.
So does it just snap on, like you'll feel a groove where it connects?
Yeah, it ain't made to come back out.
There you go, you can hear it.
Yep. What you always want to do with your tractor whenever you get done is make sure you chain up this. Chain up the PTO on the front spacer there. And what this will do is it'll keep the PTO from sliding into the ground and damaging it.
So now we're gonna put oil in the gearbox, and he's gonna take out the overflow plug and show you where to put the oil in.
I'm gonna keep adding oil into it until fluid will come out right here, the oil will, and that's when I know it's full and it's ready to go. I will put the plug, I'll put it back in, and we'll be ready to unload it.
So on your cutter, you'll need 1 quart of 90 weight oil. It's gonna take just a little less than 1 quart. So now we've moved to the tail wheel assembly. We're gonna hit the alamites here and here, give them some grease. The grease will come out of the top and the bottom here, and then you're almost ready to roll.
Make sure you have all your bolts tight, your PTO, shear bolt tight. Make sure everything is greased up. And definitely make sure you have oil in your gearbox.
Yeah, remember those gearboxes are not shipped with oil in them. Very, very important for the life of your product. So we just finished putting together our Tarter Rotary cutter. Got a quick start to it. Took us 15-20 minutes to get it ready. If you have any questions, go to tarterusa.com, click on Chat with Tarter. We'll be able to help you out, or call 1-800-RED-GATE.